If you want to get electrocuted every time you come home from work, this property is for you. It's a 3-bed terrace property in Cardiff, £160,000, wait for it. Because what in the DIY electrician is going on here? How many bloody cables do they need? At this point, it's enough cables to power the whole of bloody Wales. It's not even a house, it's a fire hazard with a postcode. The crazier thing is, they've put these bath mats above the actual cables to try and hide it. Absolutely abysmal. I've never seen anything so atrocious in my entire life. Imagine bringing a girl back here. Most insane thing though, since I started doing this video, the estate agents have edited the photos and tried to blur out the cables. Honestly, you just could not make this up. This isn't even open plan living at this point, people. It's open circuit living, because you could get electrocuted every time you come home from work. Like, I just think it's so much worse that they've actually blurred all the all of the cables out. And then in this photo as well, they've tried to, you know, Photoshop the cables out with, you know, a carpet effect. But as you can see, it's just all skew with, absolutely wild. At this point, it is absolutely atrocious. £160,000 to live in this, wild. Now, I actually want to know what these people do for a living, because that is just like absolutely random and just mad.